Well, for me, it's just that like I wasn't really thinking about college that much. My parents always said something important to do, but like I didn't really know what steps I needed to take. And knowing me, I probably wouldn't have found the motivation to get here without a mentor.
I've always had to work for what I needed. Every day it's that grind and we just don't stop. And seeing somebody that went through the same grind, it's pretty good to see, okay, they did it, they went through the darkness, and now they're in the light. They're helping me get through that spot as well.
It's just a way to, like, that guidance. A lot of people need that guidance, especially like a lot of these kids coming to college, they're probably first generation or, coming from households that work. So like, people need that guidance going through college, going through school, and, being prepared to take the next step into the real world. And I think that's what Triumph does for us.
So Triumph is a mentorship program for men of color to help us get acclimated to college and just help us.
It's people my age and mentors that don't just look like me but come from the same background as me.
And it helps connect us and help us excel on campus and doing things, tutoring, mentoring.
So just having someone to help you who knows you and knows how to help you get to where you want to be is probably the biggest benefit of having a mentor.
They know how to get through tough situations because they have already done it. They're helping us get to the point where they are.
And we get connected with people in the real world right now to be our mentors and just help us better ourselves and get ready for our careers as we graduate.
You can't do everything by yourself. That's not a healthy mindset.
Later down, when I get more experience and doing what I want to do, I can definitely see myself, helping out kids and try to show them the path and help them find their way in life.